Yo, what's good YouTube? It's Zengi and today I'm going to be showing you guys two 3D avatar generators that are basically made by AI. Alright, so let's go to Ready Player Me, create an avatar. So basically you could just create your own avatar over here and then enter the hub, and then you could download this. So after downloading this, if you want to use so yeah, you could download the image. You can also download the avatar itself. Same thing over here in your avatar. So we're just gonna create a new one. You could add an image, and then you could download it in .glb. So if you download it in .glb, whether in Ready Player Me or Unit Avatar, you can also use this Shavatar thing, but it does not add any details. So you could just go into Blender because uh, the files that you download over here are .glb. So if we download this, for example, it is .glb. So we're just gonna go into Blender, and then we're just gonna remove this cube, and we're just gonna import the GLB from downloads, and then you could just gonna take a little second over here, and then you could just export that as .fbx. So avatar or whatever. So we could just go back into Firefox and then go into Mixamo, upload a character. We save that into documents. So let's just leave it a second or two. Here it is. And basically right now you could add in animations to either of the characters and download it in .fbx. But just make sure to download without the skin so you could keep the character's shape. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, you guys. This was Angu to you. We're just gonna show you one animation and I'm just gonna head out. So let's check this one out, for example.